Bad audio will kill your video faster than anything else. You've spent hours making your video look perfect, don't let it sound like that.
Bad audio will kill your video faster than anything else. You've spent hours making your video look perfect, don't let it sound like that. What if you could get this professional studio sound directly in CapCut for free? We're going from noisy and messy to clean and punchy. You'll learn to record, use AI to remove background noise, mix your levels like a pro, and sync every single word perfectly. No fluff, no wasted time. Let's do this. Welcome to the grand finale, episode 7. This is for anyone from beginners recording their first voiceover to advanced users who want a faster, more efficient workflow. We're covering the complete process from recording to the final mix. Let's get straight into it. Part 1. Recording crystal clear voiceover. First, let's capture your voice. The quality of your recording is your foundation. Find a quiet room. A closet is perfect. Get close to your phone's microphone and speak clearly. In the audio menu, hit voiceover. You can tap the record button to start. But here's a pro trick most beginners miss. Clap your hands once loudly before you start speaking. This creates a massive spike in your audio waveform. Later, you can line up that spike with a specific visual cue to sync your audio instantly. Now, press and hold to record your line. If you mess up, don't stop. Just pause and re-say the line. We'll edit out mistakes later. Once you're done, hit the check mark. Your voiceover is now in your timeline.
Bad audio will kill your video faster than anything else. You've spent hours making your video look perfect, don't let it sound like that.
Part 2. Audio cleaning. Now, let's turn that raw recording into studio quality audio. This is where CapCut's AI is a game changer. Select the audio clip and find reduce noise. Just toggle it on. Listen to the difference.
Hours making your video look perfect, don't let it sound like that. What if you could get this professional studio sound directly in CapCut for free? You've spent hours making your video look perfect, don't let it sound like that.
In one click, CapCut's AI removes background hum, fan noise, and hiss. It's incredible. But we can go even further. For the ultimate cleanup, use the Enhance Voice feature. This tool not only removes noise but also EQs your voice, making it sound richer and clearer. It's a more powerful, all-in-one solution. For important projects, always use this.
Will kill your video faster than anything else. You've spent hours making your video look perfect, don't let it sound like that. What if you could get this professional studio sound directly in CapCut for free?
Part 3. Professional audio mixing. Your voiceover is clean. Now, let's mix it with background music. The golden rule: your voice must always be the hero. This is the most common mistake. Select your background music track, tap volume, and pull it down. A good starting point is between 10 and 20%. The music should set the mood, not compete with your voice. That's the basic mix. You can also use CapCut's auto-ducking feature, but for full control, a manual volume adjustment is always best.
Bad audio will kill your video faster than anything else. You've spent hours making your video look perfect, don't let it sound like that. What if you could get this professional studio sound directly in CapCut for free?
Hear that? Clear, balanced, and professional. Part 4. Precision sensing. Listen here, the words don't match the visual. We need to fix this. Zoom into your timeline by pinching with 2 fingers. We need to see the waveform. Use the split tool to cut out any ums, uhs, or long pauses you don't want. Make a split before and after the mistake, select the bad part, and delete it. It's like trimming a video clip. Now, to sync the action, find the exact word in your waveform. Split the audio right before it, and simply drag that audio clip to line it up perfectly with the visual on screen.
Anything else. You've spent hours making your video look perfect, don't let it sound like that. What if you could get this professional studio sound directly in CapCut?
This granular control is the secret to perfect timing. Okay, you've mastered the essentials. But here's a bonus workflow that makes sensing complex voiceovers 5 times faster. Once your voiceover is recorded and cleaned, use the auto captions feature. CapCut will automatically transcribe your voiceover and place it as text clips on the timeline. Now, instead of hunting through the waveform, you can see the exact words on screen. Use these text clips as a perfect visual map. Find the text you need to sync, and you'll know exactly where to split and move your audio clip below it. Once you're done syncing, you can just delete the caption track. This is a game-changing shortcut.
Bad audio will kill your video faster than anything else. You've spent hours making your video look perfect, don't let it.
Let's recap the path to pro audio in 30 seconds. Ready? 1. Record cleanly using the clap trick. 2. Use enhanced voice for a one-click pro sound. 3. Balance your music and voiceover levels. 4. Split and drag your audio clips to perfectly sync with your visuals. That's it. That's the entire professional workflow. And that concludes our CapCut Masterclass series. You now have the skills to edit videos from start to finish. If this series helped you, please crush that like button, it truly makes a difference. For my final question of the series, what is the single biggest challenge you still have with video editing? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next, including our CapCut Pro series where we'll dive into advanced keyframing. To rewatch any episode, click the playlist on the screen now. Thank you for learning with us. Keep creating.